Cocktail. Noun. A mixed alcoholic beverage. They visited a pub noted for the wide range of cocktails they serve. Cocktail. Noun. A mixture of other substances. Scientists found a cocktail of pollutants in the river downstream from the chemical factory. A cocktail of illegal drugs. Cocktail. Noun. A horse, not of pure breed, but having only 1/8 or 1/16 impure blood in its veins. Cocktail. Noun. A species of rove beetle, so called from its habit of elevating the tail. Cocktail. Verb. To adulterate fuel, etc., by mixing in other substances. Cocktail. Verb. To treat a person to cocktails. He dined and cocktailed her at the most exclusive bars and restaurants. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.